Gratitude prosperity affirmations to impress your subconscious with an abundance mindset. I am grateful for the abundance and prosperity that flows into my life. I am thankful for the wealth and success that surrounds me. I am blessed with infinite opportunities to grow and prosper. I am grateful for the financial freedom that allows me to live my dreams. I appreciate the abundance of love, joy, and prosperity in my life. I am thankful for the prosperous opportunities that come my way. I attract prosperity and abundance effortlessly and joyfully. I am grateful for the wealth and prosperity that comes to me from unexpected sources. I am thankful for the abundant blessings that enrich my life every day. I am grateful for the financial abundance that allows me to live a life of freedom and choice. I am thankful for the opportunities to share my prosperity and make a positive impact in the world. I am grateful for the prosperity and success that I attract into my business and career. I am thankful for the abundance of health, wealth, and happiness that fills my life. I am grateful for the prosperity that flows to me effortlessly and abundantly. I appreciate the infinite possibilities that exist for me to create prosperity in all areas of my life. I am thankful for the abundance of resources and support that help me achieve my goals. I am grateful for the financial stability and security that allows me to live a fulfilling life. I appreciate the prosperity that flows into my life in perfect harmony with my desires. I am thankful for the opportunities to learn, grow, and prosper every day. I am grateful for the abundance of opportunities to create wealth and success in my life. I am thankful for the prosperity and abundance that comes to me effortlessly and gracefully. I appreciate the abundance of love, joy, and prosperity that surrounds me always. I am grateful for the financial abundance that allows me to support and uplift others. I am thankful for the prosperous partnerships and collaborations that bring success into my life. I am blessed with a mindset of abundance and prosperity in all areas of my life. I am grateful for the wealth and abundance that I attract and create with ease. I am thankful for the unlimited possibilities that exist for me to manifest prosperity. I appreciate the prosperity and abundance that flows to me from all directions. I am grateful for the financial blessings that allow me to live a life of fulfillment and joy. I am thankful for the opportunities to expand my wealth and prosperity beyond my wildest dreams. I am grateful for the prosperity that supports me in living a purposeful and meaningful life. I am thankful for the abundance of opportunities that come my way to create wealth and success. I appreciate the prosperity and abundance that I attract and manifest effortlessly. I am grateful for the financial abundance that allows me to live a life of luxury and comfort. I am thankful for the prosperous connections and relationships that enhance my life. I am blessed with the ability to attract and manifest unlimited prosperity and success. I am grateful for the wealth and abundance that flows into my life in perfect divine timing. I am thankful for the opportunities to grow and prosper in alignment with my purpose. I appreciate the prosperity and abundance that expands exponentially in my life. I am grateful for the financial prosperity that allows me to contribute to the greater good. I am thankful for the prosperous opportunities that align with my passions and values. I am blessed with the mindset and belief in my own worthiness to receive unlimited prosperity. I am grateful for the abundance of opportunities to create wealth and abundance for myself and others. I am thankful for the prosperous ideas and inspirations that lead to my success. I appreciate the prosperity and abundance that flows into my life effortlessly and gracefully. I am grateful for the financial freedom that allows me to live a life of abundance and joy. I am thankful for the opportunities to grow and prosper in every area of my life. I am blessed with the ability to attract and manifest prosperity and abundance in all forms. I am grateful for the wealth and success that I create and experience in my life. I am thankful for the infinite blessings and prosperity that fill my life with happiness and fulfillment. Feel free to choose the affirmations that resonate within the depths of your inner self and that help advance your personal prosperity plans, goals, and dreams. God Candy congratulates you on your success in your endeavors. Always remember that you are a sweet expression of God and that you deserve the best because you are the best.